Hey guys, today I will show you how to add Fantom Network to your MetaMask wallet. So first what you need to do is open your MetaMask and tap on the three lines in the top left corner. As you can see, by default only Ethereum or Binance might be listed, but Fantom is not there yet. To add it, go into settings, then tap on networks and choose add network. Now for the details. Under network name, type Fantom Network. For chain ID, enter 250. For the RPC URL, use rpc2.fantom.network. The symbol should be FTM. For the Block Explorer URL, you can leave it blank since that part is optional. I'll include all of these details in the description so you can easily copy and paste without confusion, along with the original source links for the RPC and chain ID. Once you've filled everything in, click Add, and the Fantom Network will automatically appear in your MetaMask wallet. After confirming, you'll be switched to Fantom, and from this point on, remember that any transaction on this network will require FTM as the gas fee. Just tap got it to finish. Thanks for watching.